Hi friend. So today I'm going to explain about the counting word problem. So most of the interview really, ask like a thread-based question. Implement the kind of data structures which should be the thread shapes, and it should have the operations like whenever n number of threads they can add the word basically in these data structures, and at any moment another thread can get the count of the particular words. So how we can implement? So it's nothing but like it will be like kind of thinking you have the like two operation basically. You are going to the add the word like a here it will be the map structures kind of thing. This should be the thread shape, means concurrent hash map kind of thing. Like if you are adding the s1s, so n number of thread can be add s1s, and whatever the actual in the specific point their count it will be there, it will be stored here. Okay, so like that, and it have the add operations, and second is that get. It will be the get operations. So get operation is nothing but any thread can get the actual number of count of the particular bird, how much they have. Okay, so I hope so it is clear. So again, just I'm going to for the how we can implement these two operations or data structures with thread shape basically. So for the whenever thread is comes, then is nothing but it is like I like that I explained. There will be the in the structure wise. If you will see, like I said, it should be the concurrent hash map. So here is nothing but counting word problem I taken, and then after that this is nothing but it will keep the key value pairs like a concurrent and as a concurrent hash map, because multiple thread they will try to access this resource. Now now at now how they will add the data, it will be add the data in the key value pairs. So atomic integers, either you can take long or anything, but I take in the integers. So from the map, every time I am getting the data from this map, and if this integers equal to null, it means that probably it will be the first time we are going to push the data into the hash maps. So in that case, we are initializing this atomic integers with one value, initial value is equal to 1, and we are pushing into the data. Okay, put if exchange, and then after that just we push it. If still it will be put if absent. If L not equal to null, then just I done the increments. Okay. If suppose that data is already present, whatever the number it will be there, whatever the number 3, 4, 5, or whatever the in number of integer it will be there, it will be, if it is null, not null, then it will be go here and it will be just increment the this reference value. Okay, so it's a very simple. It's doing the add operation, and it will be the thread shape because it's a atomic integer just type to taken, and you know that I hope so you know about the concurrent concurrent package, this class, this is a thread shape and this is also the thread shape. So that's why I took these two. And get map is nothing but every time what it does, it will be whatever the map is there, from that maps it will get the data. If it is not null, then actual value it will be return it, otherwise it will return the 0. So it's nothing but a null handling checking. Okay, now let's test it, these two method, add words and get count. Friends, so for the testing purpose, what I done in the just I taken the 3 different thread pools, and every thread pool have the size it 20 20 20. Okay, 3 thread pool, and this all every this thread pool through the worker thread we are going to execute it at the 10,000 times every thread. That's why this one. And I am using the countdown latch for the counting the operation. Basically, whenever the worker thread means that like if you will see here in the first thread pool, ex1 dot execute, and this is nothing but it's kind of the worker thread implementations, okay, through the lambda. So this worker thread, what it is doing, it is accessing the single shareable resource. If you will see CW countdown latch, this in every thread, in every worker thread, it is a common. So it's a common resource, and this all loop is running basically through the for loop. It means that 10,000 times it will be run. And if you will do in every successful execution, it will be do the countdown. It means that since countdown is initialized with the total into 3, because we have the 3, and every loop have the 10,000 times, so it will be run, and lastly it will be wait, and then after that it will be doing the shutdowns. After execution of all the threads, expected behavior is the 10,000 basically for all test 1, test 2, test 3, because I here pushing the test 1, test 2, test 3. So let us see the output. Yeah, so this assertion is also successfully. So we received the 10,000. So it working fine. So it's a very simple questions, nothing but again I repeating. It's a add word and get count. Basically need to the thread shape. So it's nothing but in the concurrent hash map. I am using the concurrent hash map, and based on that I pushing the data in the atomic integer reference and a string value. So it will be the thread shapes. Thank you.